This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday evening. I'm James Spann. Classic summer mix today of sun and storms. Let's check some of the Skycam shots. We'll look out the window. We'll start with our Skycam coming from Trussville. Got a pretty good field of cumulus clouds there. Some of those have formed into thunderstorms today. There's a look at the Jasper Skycam in Walker County. Very similar sky there. And that's a pretty good looking storm there, brewing in the Gulf of Mexico, just south of the Dauphin Island Sea Lab. That's our Skycam on the Alabama Gulf Coast, down at the southern tip of Mobile County. Pretty much the same setup today. The upper trough north of the state is beginning to weaken a bit, but a lot of moist air and high humidity values and scattered showers and storms. In fact, there's the radar at 244. Heavier storms over Franklin County in northwest Alabama, Jackson County in northeast Alabama, in southern Cherokee County, north of Piedmont, south of Weiss Lake, and those could pop up anywhere at any time over the next few hours as we have reached convective temperatures. Mostly mid to upper 80s on the board. Birmingham at 85. Cool spot, Muscle Shoals. They've got 76. Had some flooding up around Florence earlier today with big storms around the lunch hour. Pretty quiet around the nation. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Wisconsin and Michigan. Still a few counties in Georgia under a flash flood watch, but again, things are pretty quiet. Severe weather possibilities, mainly well to the north of here today and tonight. And the rain for the next 5 days. Heaviest rain south and east of here. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. We should clearly see a drier pattern setting up by the weekend and early next week. Not to say there's no chance of rain, but just not as many showers and storms. And the tropics remain very, very quiet. We'll check the GFS. This is the Global Forecast System. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock local time. And again, you can see high pressure centers off to the east and west. Still a little bit of a weakness involved here. So again, like today, we'll have the scattered hit and miss showers and storms in the afternoon. Highs probably upper 80s. Now, the high-res NAM looks dry, but it's not performed very well in recent days. I think we'll clearly see some storms around tomorrow. Chance of any one spot getting wet, about 1 in 3. This is Friday, and both models are trending drier on Friday. This has got some showers north of us in Tennessee. We're not saying there's no chance of rain Friday. We'll mention widely scattered afternoon storms. And there's the GFS. Looks a little more moist. We note that big 1023 high around the Great Lakes. That represents some drier air north of here. This is Saturday as we start the weekend. Aloft, the big story is the upper high that's around Tulsa, Oklahoma. That's going to be the center of very hot air. And down below that, we've got the drier air to the north trying to nose in here. And you know the deal. We're not going to take out the chance of showers, but the bottom line is that the air should be a little drier, showers more widely spaced and mainly south of here. And the high probably around 90, and this is Sunday. And it's got moisture coming back. I'm telling you, it's very hard to just clear it out. We'll mention some risk of a few scattered showers on Sunday. The GFS is showing 87. Here's Monday. That looks relatively dry. Tuesday looks pretty dry. And then Wednesday of next week, same deal, big 594 heat bubble out across the nation's heartland. We're kind of on the periphery of that, but the air seems to be relatively dry. So again, models, the GFS suggesting the first half of next week, mostly dry. Any showers few and far between, highs upper 80s to near 90. The really hot weather stays north and west of here. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is September 5th. Hey, look at the trough over the east. I like that. Nice cool air mass pushing down into the Great Lakes, surface boundary coming down here, and again, some risk of scattered showers and storms, nothing out of the ordinary there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.